50,000 Milestone Ride.
I hope I'm not underneath it when it falls. Totally failed.
It's a beach. Yeah. Howdy folks, how's it going? I hope your ride's going well. Hey, I'm going on a ride over to the beach. This particular bike, Beemer Jr. for my 2009 BMW F800GS. It's got 49,910 miles on it at the moment. So I have planned a milestone ride. And those are rides that I do on my bikes when they hit key milestones. We're doing a major one here, 50,000. Unfortunately, I only have 90 miles, so I couldn't really plan a longer trip to, say, an epic destination. But what I do with a milestone ride is I get out my GPS and I try to plan it down to the exact mile, so that at a certain particular scenic spot, I hit that 50,000. Now, it doesn't have to be at the exact second that it rolls over, because it doesn't display the tenths. I figure I have 1 mile of grace. My plan is to go to the Taqueria and then head south on 1, and there's a beach.
I just love it when you lane share up and people get annoyed that how dare you pull up next to them and they try and punch it the instant the light turns green, like they're gonna race you. It's like, you know, I don't even give it much gas. This bike is not exactly a crotch rocket, right?
It's a GS, for Christ's sakes.
It's getting hot in the helmet. This is downtown Saratoga. It's a really nice coffee shop. It's pretty good kind of La Michelle. That's real pricey. I think we got the plumed horse up here too. If you want to take your date out to someplace really fancy. And it's getting a little bit of
Velocity here is gonna dry off all that sweat. We're on Highway 9, which is a legendary local motorcycle road.
I mean, I left myself plenty of time here, but if I keep getting behind all these looky-loos, I'm not going to make it to the beach till tomorrow morning.
I kind of like this section. It's part of why Highway 9 is a legendary motorcycle road. Okay. We have reached Highway 35, aka Skyline Boulevard. So we're going to take a ride on that. 9 went straight ahead. So this one travels right along the ridge of the Santa Cruz Mountains.
Stopped and said hi to a few riders here at Allison's. Allison's up ahead on the other side of the street.
Whee! Yeah!
I'm on Lobita's cutoff. It's kind of looking like there would be no fog, but I mean, there isn't any here, and we're actually fairly close to the coast. But if you look ahead, it looks like there is right at the coast. Whoa, that tree is not going to be there long. but I hope I'm not underneath it when it falls. Now we're talking. I did a whole bunch of riding with the frickin' lens cap on.
In the nearly 15 years I've owned this BMW F800GS, I've ridden through mountain ranges and to the lowest point in the United States. Despite some initial problems, Beemer Jr has proven itself a worthy ride. And in all that time, it's given me 50,000 smiles and 2 epic journeys, one of which I did a few months after this ride, and will be coming soon in a multi-part series here on Ride On. Watch until the end of this video for a few Easter eggs.
Alrighty, I'm here at Waddell Creek Beach, right before sunset. Unfortunately, it's a little foggy, so I don't think we'll be getting an extremely picturesque, although it's nice. I could think of worse spots to be for a 50,000 mile, which, by the way, you can see that there. It says 50K on the dot. There you go. 50,000 miles. And we are entering the lovely town of Davenport. Stopping for gas. I hate driving through town. People always do stupid things, like just pulling in here. Big wide driveway. There's a car pulling out on the wrong side. Probably because they were making a left, but you know, you go through, you pull out the driveway, you go like this and you make your left. You don't pull out here, so that I had to go around. There we go, that looks good. Yeah, here most people think the gas is here. Nope, I'm sitting on it. Keeps the center of gravity lower. I'm sure the chin mount failed. Yep. No, it totally failed on me. It's not gonna hold either. It's hanging on by the hair of its chinny chin. Yeah, time to whip out the heat gun again, but it only seems to last for a few weeks, and then I find out that the camera's half hanging on.
It's a little awkward. You can see that's how much was holding it on. And normally it should be like that. It's a miracle I didn't lose this camera on the highway.
If you've liked this ride, check out one at the top of your screen. And consider liking and subscribing. And wherever your journeys may lead, ride on.